Hi, this is N. John Sukumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sukumar's Smart Education. National level workshop organized by University of Allahabad and Niti Aayog. 5 days workshop on basic econometrics tools and techniques. Dates from 27th to 31st January 2022. Google Meet and Facebook platform. Time at 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Invited all the faculty members, students and research scholars. E-certificate will be provided. No registration fee. Registration, Gmeet and Facebook link in description. Subscribe my channel. Ring the bell for latest updates.